Crafting a brand identity for a coffee shop is like making the perfect cup of coffee. From the logo and color scheme to the signage and even the vibe of the playlist, every detail is designed to create an experience that keeps people coming back. Without further ado, let's design a logo for a coffee shop. The coffee shop we are going to design today is a unique one. It's a coffee shop residing in a college campus. The customers are, of course, college students, so the design should be focused towards them youth. For this logo, I will exclude using coffee related things like coffee beans or coffee cups because I feel those are overused. Let's start with the name, Class Bunk Coffee. How relatable, right? I love the name so much that I want to make a type logo, but again, it doesn't look trendy. Always stay true to the brand values. What are the brand values for this coffee shop? It's youthful, friendly, unique, trendy, and playful. To make it trendy and simple, I decided to use the letters C and B to make the logo. Of course, C for class, B for bunk. It gives Batman vibes because the ears and everything, but that's okay for me because it looks youthful and playful. Let's add more depth. Now it all looks good, but nobody knows it is a coffee shop now. It can be a, Batman comic book too. See, C for comic, B for book, comic book. Let's add coffee. Done, CB coffee. Now let's add some color to this logo. After experimenting with lots of routine colors, ta-da! So that's that. What do you think of the logo? Is it good, bad, ugly, even shit? Let me know in the comments. Also, subscribe for more irritating design videos in your YouTube feed. Till next time, be evil.